How to buy LIHUA token. So I guess this is the right name. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this, make sure to check Derek's account. So this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. Now go and find it there. Now what you need to do here, just copy the token address here, and as you can see, this token is under the XRPL network. Now pair your Bitget wallet for that, or any wallet that you use. Now log into your wallets. After that, select the XRPL network like that. So I think this is the right network. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. Now I think this is not available here. Now if you try to buy this token on Bitget wallet, you can't be able to find it. Now the best way for that, click on markets here, and now as you can see, click on this pair link here. Now they will direct you to our Bit website. So as you can see, make sure to log into your account on our Bit and go to this section here. But first, make sure to fund your account with some USDT. Now what you need to do here, just type how much of you want to buy with that token. You will see here the equivalent of that amount, and after that click on buy and you will buy this token. Now if you click on the market, just drag this to set how much a percentage of USDT that you have on your account that you want to use it to be able to buy this token. After that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy LIHUA token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.